All right, here we got a 2024 H12R. It's an AGT, new unused. Got the bucket, dimensions, backfill blade. That'll all be in the description. Auxiliaries set up, ready to roll for attachments. It's a nice little unit for your house. Start digging up in the backyard. What else? I think that's about it. Pretty standard. I'll fire it up, let you listen to it, and move it around a little bit. Come check them out preview day, Friday 9 to 4. That's the day before the auction. Questions in the meantime, email in. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Otherwise, we'll see you preview day. Thanks for watching.